Hello and welcome to this tutorial video. Today we're going to explore the world of comments analysis using Lambodhi's AI-powered tool. As a content creator, understanding your audience's sentiment and feedback is crucial for refining your content strategy and engaging with your viewers more effectively. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of analyzing comments using Lambodhi's Comments Manager AI and how to leverage this information to improve your content. To get started, you'll need to go on Lambodhi.com and click on Start Analysis Now button. After that, free sign up for a Lambodhi account and access Comments Manager AI tool. Once you're logged in, you'll be able to upload your YouTube video link and start analyzing comments. You can also search your or your competitor video direct on search bar. In this step, upload your or your competitor video link to Lambodhi's platform. Otherwise, search video on search bar. Make sure to select the correct video or video link. Now it's time to analyze the comments using Lambodhi's AI-powered tool. This step is crucial in understanding the sentiment and emotions behind each comment. The AI will automatically categorize comments into positive, negative, or neutral, providing valuable insights into your audience's feedback. In this step, we'll dive deeper into the results provided by Lambodhi's AI. We'll explore the sentiment analysis, identifying patterns and trends in the comments. This information will help us refine our content strategy, addressing areas that need improvement and capitalizing on successful aspects. With the insights gathered from the comments analysis, we'll refine our content strategy to better engage with our audience. This may involve adjusting the tone, format, or topics covered in our content. Beyond sentiment analysis, comments can also provide valuable new ideas and suggestions for future content. Pay attention to recurring themes, requests, or feedback from your audience to inspire new video topics or approaches. Using Lambodhi's Comments Manager AI is a powerful tool for content creators to gain valuable insights into their audience's sentiment and feedback. By following these steps, you'll be able to refine your content strategy, improve engagement, and ultimately grow your audience. Make sure to regularly update your video and analyze comments to track changes in sentiment and feedback. Thank you for watching this tutorial video. If you want to share your valuable feedback, please share your feedback on Lambodhi.com in feedback section.